Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a nice couple of days ahead. Some clouds mixed with sun. Clouds dominating tonight through tomorrow morning, but afternoon sunshine returns. Wednesday looks to be a stellar day. Front on the way late Thursday. That's going to make for a cool weekend. And then a stronger cold front with some real Canadian air, perhaps by the middle part of next week. More on that in just a bit. So let's go outside, take a look at the water vaporimetry, the upper level pattern, as it always tells the story, at least to me, and hopefully that translates to you when we're looking up at the 18,000 foot range, also known as a pressure level at 500 millibars. And we're looking at the upper level low here over by just to the southwest of Southern California. That's kind of helping to tap in the high level moisture coming through the Pacific and allowing for just some gorgeous sunsets over the past several days. Saw another nice one locally. It was even better off to the east where there were more clouds, and plenty of clouds back to the west. Some nice sunsets coming in around from the Houston area as well. And this evening, those clouds are acting to pretty much dominate the temperature scenario tonight, acting as a little bit of a temperature blanket, holding our temperatures up just a bit. In fact, tonight will be some 10 to 15 degrees milder than what we were last night. And that's reflected in the forecast. Now, there is going to be a little bit of a frontal boundary to the west, a little bit of a disturbance rolling out ahead of it. So the model is suggesting there might be a few showers or light sprinkles, especially southwest Louisiana. They don't make it through all of Acadiana, but don't be surprised if there's a sprinkle or two. It looks a little gloomy first thing tomorrow morning, but as the day wears on, that moisture begins to evaporate. Clouds begin to evaporate. We'll have temperatures in the lower 70s, and by the afternoon, we'll be back to at least partly sunny skies and perhaps another nice sunset for tomorrow evening, which now is occurring at 5:20, 5:21 in the evening. As we head into Wednesday, some drier, cooler air comes in from the northeast. The winds will pick up out of the northeast. Temperatures drop down, I think a little bit cooler in the low to mid 50s for tomorrow night, and then a little bit milder for Wednesday with lots of sunshine. Wednesday looks to be the best weather day of the week. And then as we head into Thursday, we're going to see a frontal boundary that'll be racing southward. That's going to produce scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm, primarily later in the day into the early evening. Latest Euro coming in a little bit slower, but lingering clouds on Friday. Friday afternoon will be dry but cool. Temperatures may not get out of the 50s on Friday. And this weekend looks nice. High pressure in charge, a high near 60 on Saturday. We'll go with the Euro number there. And then comes a stronger front as we head into Monday, and that's going to have some cold air with it and a gusty north winds. And look, this is the European model. It's not the actual forecast, but holding us in the 40s for next Tuesday, and then getting down maybe close to our first freeze come Wednesday morning. And then we get into a winter scenario where low pressure may develop in the Gulf and give us a good shield of rain. Just rain, maybe wintry precip toward I-20, but we'll have to wait and see on that. But it's going to feel like winter, bottom line, with that second front as we go into the middle part of next week. Rainfall with this frontal boundary come Thursday should be generally an inch or less. Euro model going for a stripe of 1 to 2 down along the coast, and we'll refine that forecast as we get closer to that cool front. Tonight, though, temperatures in the mid-50s, milder to the west where the cloud cover will be thicker, and that applies to the I-10 corridor as well. Mid-50s, notice Morgan City for a change will be cooler than most of the other spots where skies might be fair there. 65 toward Cameron toward tomorrow morning. So your 24-hour forecast, temperatures in the 70s tomorrow afternoon, more sunshine later in the day. And as we go down the road, we'll see temperatures in the 70s through Thursday, then the chill down for the weekend. Weekend looks great with mostly sunny skies, and then cold as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. And again, forecasting 7 to 10 days out with these cool fronts is quite difficult, but maybe close to a freeze. We'll have to wait and see for consistency. Check back with us tomorrow for the latest.
All right. Thank you.